Hi, my name is Tina McGill. I am the owner of Mass CPA or McGill Accounting Services. I'm a graduate of Belmont University. Go Bruins! We have been trying to find a way that we can help small businesses over the past few weeks with hearing everything about COVID-19 and how it's going to impact our economy. So today we thought we'd give you a free presentation on what we know and what we think you can do to combat the COVID-19. So let's talk coping with COVID-19. So how do I know how much cash I will need in the next 60 days? The biggest and most important area is to make sure that your bank accounts are reconciled and up to date at all times. This will help you get a true sense of what your actual cash balance is in your bank after all payments clear. Reconcile your line of credit and credit card statements. This will allow you to see how much outstanding credit you have on your credit card, as well as the debt available. In addition, if you have your line of credit reconciled, you'll know how much line you have available to pull in case of a cash shortfall. Make sure your accounts payable and accounts receivable reports are up to date in your accounting software. The last thing you want to do is be missing an invoice in your accounts payable that you're not expecting, or have overstated accounts receivable where you're expecting income that's actually not going to be coming in. Utilize these reports so that you can project your anticipated cash inflow and outflow over the next 60 days. Be sure to account for your payroll and how often it comes due, any auto drafts that come out of your bank, as well as any dues and memberships that come out of your bank as well. You can utilize Excel or any cash flow software for this purpose. You don't have to spend a lot of money to do a cash projection. You just need to be able to write it down, project it in Excel so that you have a sense of what is coming due and what you have coming in. Check with your customers to determine if cash payments are going to be delayed. This is very important right now. You do not want to count on income that's not going to be coming in the short run, and then you can't make payroll or pay a key bill. So what can you do in the event of a cash shortfall? Be in contact with your key vendors. Now is the time to communicate with your vendors and let them know your cash situation. Many larger vendors are going to be incentivized to delay payments and are going to be more willing to work with you. Be sure to talk with them to make sure you mitigate as much of the interest and penalties for late payment as possible. Delay payments if necessary. Talk to your key customers. Your customers have been the vital piece of your company. Remember that they are displaced just like you are, and they may take longer to pay. Work out a payment plan that works for both of you so that you both come out healthier in the end. Communicate with your employees. Look for creative ways to minimize your costs. Employees will step up and help you look for ways to cut costs within the labor area. Consider your owner compensation. What do you need to survive in the short run? And don't forget to budget that inside of your business. Review your financials. We all have fluff inside of our business. Now's the time to look for ways to mitigate costs that are not necessary to your company. So what do you do if you need additional capital? Leverage your banking relationships. Now's the time to have good relationships with your bank. Talk to them about loans that you can take out, extensions of lines of credit, and also extending your payments out further. Make sure you keep up-to-date financials. When you go to your bank, they're going to need up-to-date financial statements as well as a debt schedule. If you do not have these available, you're going to limit your access to cash, and it's going to take longer for you to get the funds that you need. Utilize government programs. Right now, the SBA loans and disaster relief loans are available in most areas. Look to see if you qualify, and also talk to your bank and CPA. Take advantage of the extended tax filing deadline of July 15th to pay and file your taxes. This gives you an extra 90 days to pay your taxes and also allows you time to be sure that you're taking advantage of every tax savings you can. Talk to your financial advisor and CPA. There may be tax savings that you haven't taken advantage of before. If you haven't had a great relationship with your CPA, you've likely lost out on tax planning, and this is a time to start talking to them about ways to save on your taxes. So where do I begin? Talk to your CPA. They're your trusted advisor and they're to help you. They have access to great information as well as attorneys, financial advisors, and bankers if you need those relationships. Also talk to your payroll company. You have new requirements regarding the Families First Coronavirus Response Act and FMLA. They can explain those requirements to you and how to be in compliance. Don't go it alone. Take a deep breath. Utilize your team of experts, and if you don't have a team, we at Mass CPA are here to help you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're all in this together, and we will definitely get through this together. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope this information was helpful. If you need help getting set up online so you can work remotely, we're more than happy to help you with QuickBooks Online or the accounting package software that you may need for Bill.com, paying your bills remotely. If you need help with tax planning, tax strategies, we're more than happy to help you with that, as well as if you need an ADP rep, I'm more than willing to share my contacts. Don't forget your most important resource right now is your human capital and your employees, and take care of yourself as well as them, and your company will continue to be successful. If you have any additional questions after today's presentation, please feel free to give us a call at 615-236-1259 or email us at info@masscpa.com or visit us on our website at masscpa.com. We have tons of free resources on our website as well as blog posts that may be beneficial to you moving forward. As always, we're always here to help, and best wishes in the future.